You can build a swimming pool in here if you wish to. Of course, it is clean title if you would like to know about it. So I am going to show you the bedrooms and of course the bathroom. Hello, my dear babes. So welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent in Dumaguete, no other than Alma Almonte Folco. So for today's vlog, my dear peeps, we are here in Talay, Valencia, Philippines. And I'm very excited to show you this beautiful house, which is two-story. If you wanted to purchase a property which has 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and unfurnished, it is very near to Dumaguete, Valencia, and all hospitals and schools. If you wanted to have your own furnishing, this property is for you. So, what are you waiting for? Tara! So basically, this property is along Barangay Road. Of course, it is clean title if you would like to know about it. And also, you can park 2 cars here because you can park 1 in here. Also, you can have this as your patio if you wanted to. And since the property is 2-story, you can also add another building in the side if you wanted to add to make it more bigger. So you can also park here your car, your motorbike, and then you can also put a cover on it. And this is the back part of the property. You can build a swimming pool in here if you wish to. And then you can add a building here for you to rent out for your future income monthly. Alright, so now let's go to the main house so I can show you the dining area and of course the sala. So this is the open design dining and living area. As I mentioned, the property is unfurnished, so you can buy all the furnishings that suits your criteria. This is only temporary. You can have this or you can just take it out. So this is where the kitchen area of this property here. You can improvise or you can modify if you wish to. And we have also a powder room. So this is where the powder room. And also, if you are thinking about safety, don't you worry about it because this property has already a grills to protect your property, so nobody can come in. Alright, so now let's go to the second floor. So I am going to show you the bedrooms and of course the bathroom. So now let's go to the bedrooms so you can see the size of the bedroom. So this is the hallway here. You can put a small table here or a couch. If you have a guest, if you wanted them to, sit down, or if you wanted to just relax. And this is the other bedroom here. This is kind of small, but this is good for your kids if you have kids. And also, if you wanted to put an aircon, you already have a socket for it. You have electric fan, and we have also blinds to protect you from the monster every night in this building. But we have a blinds already. Alright, so this is the second bedroom, bigger than the first one. The same thing is, since it's unfurnished, you can just buy all the furnishings you want and you can place it here. We have ceiling fan over here and a socket for your aircon if you wanted to add to make this room cool. And now let's go to the master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom here. The same thing, we don't have aircon, but you can also purchase. And then you have already this ceiling fan, so you can have a bed here. And now I'm going to show you the common bathroom. So let's go. So this is the common bathroom of the 3 rooms that we don't have hot and cold shower as of the time, but you can add if you wish to. And that's all for today, my dear peeps. Thank you so much for watching Living in Dumaguete. If you wanted to have a private tour of this property, please don't forget to contact me and see my contact below. And I'm very happy to have a private tour with you anytime if you're available. Thank you very much and have a great day. See you again next time. I love you, my peeps.